Purchasing a compound bow is a personal choice and something that needs to fit into your personal style of hunting. So here's our list of the best compound bows to help you prepare for your next hunt. The bow becomes a part of your identity, an extension of you as you trail your prey. It can also be the deciding factor about your luck when hunting something you are interested in, and the slightest error can cause you to fail. A bow with excess draw weight or one that doesn't fit correctly might not offer stability while shooting. Moreover, a bulky bow may not be easy to carry if you plan on covering long distances. Made of high-quality materials, these bows are long-lasting, durable, and offer stability, balance, and precision. Available in various designs, choosing the right bow can be challenging, so explore our.
Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1, Bear Archery Cruzer G2 Adult Compound Bow, Moonshine Wildfire. Bring out your adventurous side with this versatile bow that caters to all skill levels and ages. This bow for left-handed adventure seekers comes ready to hunt and features 6 trophy ridge accessories: a whisker biscuit, a 4-pin sight, a 5-arrow quiver, a sling and stabilizer, a knock loop, and a peep sight. It has an adjustable draw length from 12 inches to 30 inches and a draw weight of 5 to 70 pounds. The adjustments do not require a bow press and are made with an Allen wrench. This lightweight compound bow weighs just 3 pounds and has a velocity of 315 FPS. It also features an extremely smooth draw cycle, controlled power, minimal vib. Number 2. Topoint Archery Trigon Compound Bow, Best Bow Speed. Trigon Compound Bow is designed for right-handed archers and is perfect for both archery and hunting purposes. The CNC machined bow riser is made of lightweight 6061 T6 aluminum and has a durable anodized surface. With upgraded dual cams, this compound bow ensures comfortable and smooth drawing. It has a draw length of 19 to 30 inches and a draw weight of 19 to 70 pounds, making it suitable for both beginner and experienced archers. The bow comes with multiple additional accessories, such as a 5-pin bow sight, an aluminum stabilizer, a braided bow sling, and a peep sight assembly. Number 3. Aimdor A9 Compound Bow and Arrow Set, Best for Beginners. This comprehensive compound bow and arrow set has all the accessories required to hone a beginner's archery skills. It is easy to maneuver and handle without the requirement of any bow press. Each part is made of aluminum and has zero plastic, ensuring its longevity. This right-handed compound bow has an axle length of 35.5 inches, a draw length of 20 to 27 inches, and an adjustable draw weight of 0 to 40 pounds, making it suitable for both teens and adults. The bow riser comes in multiple color options to choose from. Number 4. Barnett Archery Vortex Lite Youth Compound Bow, Best Vibration Damping System. This lightweight compound bow is equipped to adjust with the developing skills of archers who are new to the game. It features a draw weight of 18 to 29 pounds, with a let-off of 60 to 70%. And a draw length of 22 to 25 inches. It comes with a 3-pin fiber optic sight with a bright glow feature, which gives visibility in low light. The draw length of this right-handed bow can be increased and Number 5. Southland Archery Supply SAS Feud Compound Bow, Best for Right-handers. The Southland Archery Supply SAS Feud Compound Bow generates a maximum speed of 300 frames per second and comes complete with a quick detach quiver, tube peep sight, premium neoprene string, and an adjustable bow sight. Its axle-to-axle length is 30 inches, whereas its let-off percentage ranges between 70 and 80%. The compound bow is designed to. Number 6. AMEYXGS Archery Compound Bow Kit, Best Noiseless Design. The AMEYXGS Advanced Compound Bow Kit is made of high-strength metal alloy and features a double eccentric wheel system that delivers excellent performance. The bow limb stabilizer provides a noiseless shooting experience, which is a bonus when hunting. It has an adjustable draw weight of 30 to 55 pounds and an adjustable draw length of 24 to 29.5 inches, eliminating the need for a bow press. The kit includes various accessories required for seamless performance, such as a bow sight, a bow release,